Welcome back, viewers. Thank you for joining me on another unboxing video. I know it's been a while since I have done an unboxing. If you have joined us new to this channel and are enjoying my content, it would be a big help to my channel if you liked and shared this video. And most importantly, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified of new videos like this in the future. Released in 2005 and directed by Neil Marshall, The Descent is widely regarded as one of the finest horror films ever made. Combining intense psychological horror with relentless suspense and terrifying creature effects, the film delivers a truly unforgettable experience. Its claustrophobic cave setting and strong performances have earned it a well-deserved place as a modern horror classic. Today, I'll be unboxing the gorgeous 4K Steelbook edition, taking a closer look at the stunning artwork, premium packaging, and everything included inside. Initially, I pre-ordered from Zavvi for £34.99, but when I opened the packaging, the Steelbook was damaged, so I had to return it and get a refund because they had none in stock. The only other retailer I found selling the Steelbook was Def Limited. I paid a bit extra, £39.99. I will leave a link in the description box for anyone wanting to buy a copy. The front art cover shows the eerie cave, and through the cave hole you can see the main characters with their torches, and below it has the film's title. The back cover has the film synopsis and all the special features with all the audio features and subtitles information. I'm sure all of you have guessed the Steelbook has a O-ring slipcover. As soon as you take off the slipcover, you can see the front cover is designed around the haunting image of a giant skull carved into the cave itself. The skull isn't immediately obvious at first glance, making it a clever visual that rewards a closer look. Only when you turn the Steelbook around you can notice the eye sockets, nose cavity, and mouth are all formed naturally by the cave's rocky structure. The creature's mouth is the true focal point. Hanging upside down from its jagged teeth are a group of cave explorers, their tiny headlamps casting small beams of light into the darkness. Their size compared to the creature emphasizes just how helpless and insignificant they are, turning the monster into a living cavern that threatens to consume them. The back of the Steelbook's artwork depicts a dark, claustrophobic cave illuminated by a haunting red glow. Perched across the jagged rock formations are several pale, humanoid creatures with glowing eyes, silently watching from the shadows. The minimalist black and red color palette perfectly captures the film's oppressive atmosphere and the terrifying feeling of being hunted deep underground. The artwork uses a palette of deep blacks, dark reds, and fiery oranges, giving the cave a hellish, almost living appearance. The dripping rock formations resemble blood and decaying flesh, reinforcing the film's themes of death, entrapment, and survival. The Steelbook has a matte finish. So inside the Steelbook there are 3 discs and a poster. The poster is from one of the scenes from the film, where all the characters are inside the cave. It shows how big and vast the caves are. The poster has the film's title and the credits below. Disc 1 is the 4K disc. The artwork on this disc is the same as the front artwork. The second disc is the Blu-ray disc. It has a different artwork on it. The third disc is the Blu-ray disc, which has all the special features. The artwork on this disc is the same as the back cover. The interior artwork is also from one of the scenes from the film. It is the main lair of the cave creatures. The artwork has one of the main characters partially submerged from the murky water, and all around her are the remains of skulls and bones that the cave creatures have eaten. The stunning artwork of the artist spans the entire Steelbook, connecting seamlessly from the front to the back. The 4K disc includes HDR Dolby Vision. Both the 4K and Blu-ray versions feature the alternate ending from the US theatrical release. You can pause the video to examine the special features and film specifications in detail. Well, there you have it. That was the unboxing of the Descent Limited Edition 4K Steelbook. If you had a good time watching, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one.